ClickSEO, how can traffic software boost your online business? Welcome to ClickSEO, where we explore how traffic software can revolutionize your online business by boosting your website's traffic and helping you reach more organic customers. Let's delve into the world of traffic software and unlock the potential for your online success. Getting your website noticed in the vast digital ocean is no small feat, with countless websites vying for attention. Standing out becomes a significant challenge. Traffic software emerges as a beacon of hope, guiding more visitors to your website and keeping them engaged. Understanding the basics of online traffic and click-through rate, CTR, is crucial. Imagine two scenarios, one with many visitors but no purchases, and another with fewer visitors but more purchases. Clearly, quality trumps quantity. High CTR signifies that your marketing efforts are on the right track, resonating with your audience and potentially boosting your search rankings. Traffic software works by providing a detailed analysis of your website's traffic, offering insights into user behavior, demographics, and engagement. This powerful tool not only identifies areas for improvement but also suggests actionable steps to enhance your website's performance. For beginners, choosing the right traffic software might seem daunting. However, popular tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz Pro, Ubersuggest, and ClickSEO offer a range of features tailored to different needs. From analyzing visitor data to improving CTR, these tools cater to various aspects of digital marketing. Google Analytics stands out for its comprehensive analysis and integration with other Google services, though it may require a learning curve. SEMrush is an all-in-one platform for SEO needs, while Ahrefs excels in backlink analysis. Moz Pro and Ubersuggest provide valuable insights into keyword research and site audits, with ClickSEO focusing on boosting CTR through real clicks. Using traffic software to enhance CTR involves understanding your audience, conducting A/B testing, personalizing content, and utilizing heat maps to track user interaction. These strategies not only improve CTR but also ensure meaningful engagement with your content. Evaluating metrics like bounce rate, session duration, pages per session, conversion rate, and organic search traffic is vital for understanding your website's performance. Tools like ClickSEO can significantly increase your CTR, signaling to search engines that your site is worth visiting. To sustain traffic and engagement, regularly update your content, optimize for mobile devices, focus on quality, engage on social media, enhance user experience, and encourage backlinking. Utilizing CTR traffic software like ClickSEO can further boost your site's visibility on search engines. In conclusion, the right traffic software can elevate your online business by providing insights into your website's traffic, helping you attract more visitors, and improving engagement through strategic enhancements. Regular monitoring and adaptation based on traffic software metrics are essential for maintaining and growing your digital presence. FAQs. 1. What is a traffic bot? A traffic bot simulates real user behavior to enhance analytics data, test website performance, and assist in various digital marketing strategies. By understanding and leveraging traffic software, you can significantly enhance your online business's success.